What's going on, YouTube? So today's a new day, and from my last video, obviously it was like, what, 70 degrees out and nice and warm. And like I told you in the last video, fucking Michigan weather. Now I'm in a fucking hoodie and all kinds of shit. Pisses me off. It's fucking cold out. I say fuck a lot, don't I? Right now, I am going to my cousin's house because he's going to look at my exhaust and see if we can patch weld it. If not, I might end up buying some piping and just have him weld me like a straight pipe. So yeah, it's my plan for the day. Just got to my cousin's house. Watch. He's gonna talk some shit about me filming, guarantee it. But let's go get him. See if he answers. I'm about to just walk in. Oh. What's that? Huh? Yeah. Say hi. What's up? This is my YouTube channel. I'm sure you've seen some of those. What are you doing tonight?
Trying to get some parts for my bike.
Yeah. Alright. Now, time to pull the car in. Look at all those wonderful lights.
Where your CO2 sensor goes in, right there, it's cracked all the way around it. And then where the two pipes, the Y pipe meets. So basically you're going to have a new Y pipe put in. So, I mean, ain't nothing I can do. If I weld that, it's just going to eat right through it because it's so weldy, or so rusty. So.
Well, that sucks.
Yeah, buddy. The rest of these looks pretty good.
How much do you think one of them Y pipes cost, and where could I get one?
The Y pipe?
Yeah.
Is it Wi-Fi?
No, that Y pipe. Just
you
that.
could probably have Dave Woods do it. It was right down the road from here. Where the monster trucks are on North Avenue.
Oh.
Yeah, buddy. Gotta get me a swivel.
So apparently on the other side, not the brake I did yesterday, but the other one has some stuff fucking up with it. Stuff fucking up. Does that make sense? So yeah, we're gonna take the caliper off and see what's going on.
There you go. Holy shit. Guess I'm gonna have to get a breaker bar on that. Tools in the back of my truck.
We'll come back.
Silly boys trying to be mechanics.
Down there.
What are we doing here?
Compressing the cylinder. If I can get it.
Dad, you need to see what I
How's you compressing the cylinder?
I am, but I'm trying to get this out so I have more room. Alright, so today was kind of a bust. I didn't get done nothing I wanted to get done. But, I mean, I still got to hang out with, you know, my cousin and stuff. Obviously, like I said, I need to do the exhaust, I need to do a crank caliper, I need to do the gaskets, the valve cover gasket, and the oil housing, or oil filter housing gasket. And then after all that's done, then I'm going to start working on that debt and try to pull that out. So hopefully I can get that out. I might just have to cut it out and get a whole new panel and put that in, have my cousin weld it in or something. Right now I'm going into town to help out a buddy of mine, and then after that probably just head home and call it a day. So I might just end this video right now. So with that being said, please like yep, so please like, subscribe, share, all that good stuff. More content coming soon. May 13th is approaching, and that is MI Drift. Definitely taking my camera for that. And then the Holy Grid Life is gonna be here June. And I'm thinking about camping there, but if I camp, I gotta bring some source of power. That way I can charge this and my phone and keep up to date for you guys and stuff like that. But yeah, I'm thinking about camping. So far, people that are camping are gonna be me, my girl Andrea, and then my buddy Jason. I think he might try to bring his girlfriend. I'm not sure. And then Brian, I'm gonna talk to him, see if he'll camp, but we'll see what's going on with him. But yeah, so stay tuned for that. Thanks for watching, guys. Peace.